Hello, my fellow foodians. Welcome back to Mama Says Kitchen, where we cook all things delicious, mouth-watering, and sweet. In this video, I will be showing you how to properly and thoroughly clean your chicken wings or chicken before cooking it into something delicious. So stick around and let's get this chicken wings scrubbed up and squeaky clean. So we will be starting off with a generous amount of salt, and then we're also going to go in with our white vinegar. Now, the role that the salt plays in cleaning your chicken is to act as an abrasive and will therefore help to exfoliate the yellowish debris that you normally find on your chicken. It also helps in removing and as well as stopping any bacteria from populating on the skin or surface of the chicken or meat. So you can use salt to clean your meat. It's not just for cleaning your chicken. Now, white vinegar contains acetic acid, which also contributes to the reduction of bacterial growth and volume. Again, like the salt, it also helps to remove the fatty, gooey residue from the skin, and by so doing, it helps to hold your protein better just before frying it. Now, funny enough, these chicken wings were actually quite clean to my surprise, so I didn't need to do a lot of work to get the yellowish debris off. Nevertheless, I still went ahead and gave each wing a good clean, just to give me that peace of mind that it has been thoroughly cleaned. Now, after the first rinse, look at the state of that water. Oh my goodness, it is not a good look at all. And this definitely goes to show how important it is to give your chicken a good wash, right? Because like me, I bought mine from the butchers, and sometimes when you do buy from the butchers, you do not know who's been touching it. Let's be honest. I have gone to the butchers, standing waiting in line, and I have seen someone pick his nose and he thought I did not see it. So for me, I was not waiting for him to serve me at all. I wanted someone else to serve me. So as far as I'm concerned, I cannot trust who's been touching the chicken. And sometimes, again, like I said, you don't know where their hands have been, and they will, even though they scoop it with the bag, if it's gone over the amount you've asked for, or if it's under, they will still touch your chicken or your meat and either take away or add. So my piece of advice will always be to ensure that you still give your meat or chicken a good wash once you've bought it from the butchers. And it's not just from the butchers. Even if you buy it from the supermarket, you do not know who's touched it before it got packaged. So I will still clean it just for my own peace of mind. So after the third wash, one might think Mama Say is finished. No, 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 we're not finished here. These wings are having the best wash of their lives before they get turned into something delicious. So we're gonna go ahead and give them another wash, and this will be with lemon. Now you can use lime at this stage or lemon, it's totally up to you. But what I will be using is lemon, and what it will do is to help tone down the raw smell of the chicken, as well as help to tenderize it prior to being cooked. So I will be giving it a good soak for about 5 minutes before giving it a final rinse. Yes, I washed it 5 times. It was needed, okay? Clearly, it was needed. After 5 minutes, I am happy with the end result, and I will just give it the last rinse, and that will be it. Our chicken is ready to be cooked into something delicious, knowing very well that it's been thoroughly cleaned. And there you have it. Look at how clean they look. Oh man, I cannot wait to turn these into delicious spicy wings, which I will be sharing with you in my next video. So be on the lookout for it. Thank you very much for watching. And if you have enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and do not forget to click on the notification bell so you will be notified when I release my next video, which I'm sure you don't want to miss. Until then, bye bye.